Hola, buenos dias. I could get sued for this, but here's the truth about the Camino no one will tell you. No guidebook, no influencers, and definitely no Camino guru dares to say this stuff out loud. They touch on it, but they don't tell you the truth. And I'm about to reveal this to you. So, everybody, settle down, and here's the truth about the Camino. So, let's begin with the biggest myth. The Camino is a serene, spiritual escape. Sure, until you get stuck between a snoring symphony of bunk beds and a school group blasting reggaeton at 6 a.m. Inner peace? You would need some noise canceling headphones, and honestly, I don't recommend that because you can get in trouble wearing headphones because you need to be aware of your surroundings. So, pretty much, you have no choice but to listen to this stuff. Yeah, yeah. Don't look for peace too much on the Camino. Yeah, guess what? You will need Spanish. Yeah, your Camino company will tell you, oh, we'll take care of everything. You don't need any Spanish. Don't worry about it. Everybody speaks English in the world. Guess what? They don't. And if you say stuff like una cerveza, por favor, and you think that's enough, no, that doesn't count. Besides, you don't even say that in Spain. In Spain, you say una caña. But anyway, yeah, in the tiny villages you will pass through where the magic actually happens, guess what? Nobody speaks English there. Like, literally, not one person will speak English. So, if you expect to get a bed, you expect to get some food, or maybe you would like to know where the Camino goes if you can't find any of those yellow arrows and you don't know which way to turn, yeah, maybe you need to know some key phrases. Or else you will sleep with the town cats, which there are plenty of town cats. Of course, what you could do is study my series called Repeat After Me Spanish for the Camino and get prepared. Now, no joke here. So, yeah, you could do that. So, I highly recommend my little course. Okay, folks, learn Spanish. Okay, let's talk about albergues. So, albergues are little hostels where you sleep in bunk beds. So, yes, they're cheap. Yeah. Also, some of them are great. And yeah, some are not that great. They occasionally carry bed bugs. Have you ever had bed bugs before? I once stayed at a hotel in Miami and I got bed bugs. Believe me, it's the worst thing ever. Yeah, so you take a chance when you go to albergues. So a lot of people swear that, oh, this never happened to me. But yeah, if it happens once, it's too much. So yeah, albergues, you gotta love them. By the way, they're co-ed, so you sleep with total strangers, male, females, yeah, whoever from all over the world. And yeah, do you think that's safe? Yeah, let me know in the comments what you think about albergues. Okay, folks, so you imagine rolling hills, beautiful fields of poppies, and what do you get? Asphalt, rocks, endless road shoulders. I've seen more foot tape on pilgrims than on injured athletes. Your feet will cry and your shoes will die. And yeah, guess what? You have to keep on walking anyway, unless you want to take a taxi. And yeah, seriously, these people that take taxis from town to town, that's just cheating. No, don't do that. Yeah, you need to get the right kind of shoes. So I was wearing Hoka's. Bad mistake. Don't get Hoka's. They will not cushion your heels for rocks. There's a lot of rock walking. Have you ever walked on rocks? Like miles and miles of rocks. It's horrible. The heel pain is unimaginable. So, yep, your feet will hate you. Yeah, so get the proper footwear, please. Okay, so yeah, this is another thing no one talks about. Yeah, you might cry a lot. And not just because of your heel pain or your foot pain or blisters. It's because the Camino will break you open emotionally, spiritually, and on some days, that's scarier than the terrain. You will miss your family. You will wonder what the heck you are doing there, and you will consider getting a train and to get the heck out of there. Yeah, it will happen. It will break you. Now, here's the weird thing about the Camino. Strangely enough, it's still worth it. And you want to keep going back and do it again and again and again. You never want to leave. So, yeah, even with the pain, the snoring, the loud teenagers, weird smells, people fighting over if the window should stay open or shut, every step you took on the Camino taught you something about yourself, about people, about life. So, yeah, I hope I won't get sued over telling you all this stuff, but obviously, I would do it again and again and again. In fact, I bought a house on the Camino because I never want to leave the Camino. So, yes, folks, yeah, there you have it. And this is the Camino truth. So, if you want real tips about the Camino, Spanish phrases for surviving the Camino, the behind the scenes truth no one else talks about, hit that subscribe button. This is Language Teacher on the Camino. And yes, I'm going to be walking in 6 weeks. I'm going to do it again. So I will see you on the Camino or in the next video. All right, folks. Buen camino.